Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers, then install and open Nvidia Broadcast. Once done, set your microphone and camera as Windows defaults. This ensures apps recognize the devices. Make sure your RTX GPU shows in the app header and that drivers are current, because missing drivers break features. Next, grant permissions when prompted so Broadcast can access mic and camera. Finally, pick the device inputs inside the app. That first choice determines which streams you'll process in downstream apps. You now configure the main effects and routing. Open the microphone tab and toggle noise removal, testing while speaking to set the strength just high enough to remove hiss without making you sound hollow. Then switch to camera and enable auto frame or virtual backgrounds. Tweak the background type and intensity so edges stay natural. Once satisfied, go to Settings and enable the Broadcast virtual devices. Then select those virtual devices in your meeting or streaming app to route processed audio and video live. You finish by testing end-to-end. Make a short recording or private call and watch for sync, clarity, and background artifacts. If latency or stuttering appears, make sure your GPU isn't overloaded, lower effect intensity or close games and encoder-heavy apps. If the virtual devices don't show up in other software, restart Nvidia Broadcast, verify driver installation, and confirm microphone/camera permissions in the OS. One key tip: reinstall the latest Nvidia driver if virtual devices remain missing. That usually resolves registration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.